WhatsApp Flows is a new powerful feature launched by DoubleTick that enables the process of filling form within the interface of WhatsApp. Here's a quick tutorial video for all of you. So for creating a WhatsApp flow, we'll need access to the Facebook Business Manager account. Now this is how our FBM account looks like. We'll go to WhatsApp accounts. We'll select the number for which we want to enable flows. For example, here my number is DoubleTick Sales. I'll scroll down, click on WhatsApp Manager, and then here I can see my numbers. I'll go straight to Manage Templates. I'll select Create a Template because I need to create a new template for flows. I'll select flows. I'll click on Next, and then I'll just give it a name. Let's say I'll just give it a random name. And then within flow setup, we need to click on Create New. Here we will select Custom Form, and then we'll click on Create. And here is our WhatsApp flow. Now this is absolutely customizable. For example, if I need to change the title of the screen, I can just change the name to Anchor Real Estate. I'll just give you a use case examples as well. For example, here I can write book a property with sit with us. And with buttons, I can give more questions. For example, I want to give a text question. I'll select the short answer question. I'll ask for name of the customer. I'd also like to ask the email address of the customer. And then I would like to understand which are the areas where he is interested uh, in for a property visit. So I'll give him a drop down list area. So I can just give him three options here: Borivali, Kandivali, Malad. Then I'd also like to understand what are the type of flats he is interested in. Flat preferences. 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or 4 BHK. And then finally, I'd also like to understand what is the date on which he is interested in for a property visit. So I'll select text answer and date picker. I'll just call it date of visit. And I think we are good to go. We'll just save this form and we'll click on submit for review. We'll confirm this option. Now we'll go back to our DoubleTick, create a new template. Just give it a random name, test for flows. And then in add a button, we can see an option for WhatsApp flows. And here you can see all the flows that we have created. Thank you.